Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix packet loss, hyping, and lag spikes in Euro Truck Simulator 2. First, I will show you easy ways, and then I will go into the more harder ways. But don't worry, these harder ways is not too hard at all. So let's get started. First of all, what I suggest to do here is to open up Task Manager. Then you need to go to Performance, 3 dots, Resource Monitor. Then select Network and end all the tasks that uses your internet data and you don't use while you play the game. So let's say I don't use LG Hub, I can just right click on it and end the process. So do with all the tasks that you don't use. Then what you need to do here is to open up your browser, and then you just need to write Steam server status if you play on Steam, and look if the servers is not down on your region. And then you can go and write your Euro Truck Simulator 2 server status and look if the game servers is not down as well. And if the servers is down, you just need to wait until it will be fixed. And if it's not, then we can proceed with other steps. So then you just need to go to fast.com and test your internet speed. If you get good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe limit some devices, restart your router, or use Ethernet cable if there is a possibility. Then what you need to do here is to open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. Then here you need to put a few commands. First one is IP config /flash DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. And after that, look if the problem persists. Then go to settings. Then on settings, you need to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using Ethernet cable, don't worry, you don't need to do nothing. Then go to look if you have some VPNs, maybe on accident VPNs is connected. So look if it's connected or not, and disable it if it is. Then what you need to do here, you need to open up Control Panel. Then select Network and Sharing Center. Then select Change Adapter Settings. Then right click on your internet connection, go to Properties. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, write run on search, and then here you need to write gpedit.msc. Press OK. Then you need to look for Windows settings. Look for policy-based QoS, right click on it, advanced QoS settings, DSCP marking override, select control DSCP marking requests, and then press ignore. Okay. Then right click again, create new policy, give the name, so Euro Truck Simulator 2, and then it really doesn't matter. On specified DSCP value, make sure it's 4D6, and then press next. Then select only applications with this executable name. Then go to Steam or other clients that you have Euro Truck Simulator 2. Right click on it, go to Properties, Install Files, Browse. And then what you need to do here, you need to find an exe file here. And it usually under the bin, Win64. And as you can see here, there is eurotrucks2.exe. If you don't see exe, you just need to press View, Show, and then here select file name extension. And then what you need to do here is to right click on it, rename it, and copy the name. Then go to policy, paste the name, write .exe. Next, select any source IP address, any destination IP address. Next, then make sure it's TCP and UDP here. And then press finish. And then look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then copy the path of the exe file. Here, just press on the blank space. Then what you need to do here is to go to on search and look for Windows Defender Firewall. Then select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Then change settings, allow another app, browse. Then paste the path, eurotrucks2, exe, add. If you're getting this message, don't worry, this means the Euro Truck Simulator is already added, so don't worry about it. Then go to a virus and threat protection. Then go to virus threat protection, manage settings, exclusions, add and remove an exclusion. here select add an inclusion folder, paste the path again, and then just select Euro Truck Simulator, select folder. And then restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And after all these fixes, if you're getting bad internet connection, what I suggest to do here is to use exit lag. I used it as well when I had a bad internet, and it's really helping when I play CS2 and Apex Legends. It has free trial, 72 hours free trial, and the best part of it, with the free trial, you don't need to put any of the credit card details. You can download it without any of that. And to set up everything here, just go to on search, look for Euro Truck Simulator 2, then select choose region or server, then select your region and apply routes, right? And then just play the game, and it will find basically how it works. Your internet provider do not connect you with the nearest server, and with that problem, you will get a higher ping, a packet loss, and more. But with exit lag, it will find the nearest server to you, and it will connect to it, and it will be less ping and less packet loss. So click the link in the description below, sign up to me, and when you click the link, it will be a lot of payment methods that you need to first pay, do not click and do not put any of the credit card detail information. On the bottom should be a create new account option. Create new account, then log into that particular account, and on the dashboard on the left side will be download client, and download it. You will have 72 hours, test it. If it's working for you, then you can, with my link, you can subscribe to Exit Lag and you will get 50% off. And if it's not working, just delete from your computer. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.